Showbiz fanatics, Miss Catherine Bernardo bulgarang inilabas ang ilan sa kanyang mga sikreto. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nais ko po muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga legit viewers, subscribers at ang lahat ng mga legit na nagmamahal at sumusubaybay sa lahat ng ating mga updates. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And bago ang lahat, i-congratulate natin si Miss Catherine Bernardo sapagkat finally lumabas na pong isa sa kanyang mga endorsement product. Siya po ang pinakabagong muka ng Maggi Magic Sarap. Grabe, lahat na ata nakukuha na at lahat ata ng mga produkto, maging ang mga produktong pangkusina, si Miss Catherine pa rin ang napipisil at napipili ng ilang mga brand products, maging international or local products yan. Ganyang kalakas at ganyan katindi ang impluensya ng isang Miss Catherine. So para po lubusan natin maunawaan ang lahat ng yan, panoorin natin ito.
We want it real, we want it raw. So let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, first question. 3 words to describe the real Catherine Bernardo.
Wow, I think I'm very observant, I'm very passionate, and fun. Hi there! Good morning! I'll get ready now.
If you could only listen to one song for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh, that's a hard one. Maybe Kiss It Better by Rihanna.
What's the strangest rumor you've heard about yourself?
That I'm pregnant?
How about the most embarrassing thing that's happened to you during a live performance or event?
Oh, okay, hindi ko ito makakalimutan. We went to Gigaraw for a show, and then in the middle of the song, nag-play ulit siya from the start in front of everybody too. So, natawid ko naman siya, but it was so embarrassing kasi parang may tips for a show.
Can you show us the most bizarre item that you carry in your bag?
Most bizarre item? Okay, this one. This is my fashion tape. I bring this everywhere, just in case.
What's taking up most of your time lately, Kat?
Well, lately, mostly work. I've been busy. What's up, guys? Good morning! May visitor tayo, say hi! Let's get ready natin, okay?
Ano ni-enjoy ang pila in Philippines? Saan role ka bilang nakaka-relate na?
You know, honestly, lahat ng roles na na-portray ko very far from my personality. So, wala.
Okay, but if you could switch lives with any character you played for a day, who would it be and why?
I would say Philo because she's very fun and na-enjoy ko talaga nung pinoportray ko siya. Something new lang.
Now, Kat, can you tell us, what's the funniest behind-the-scenes moment you've had recently?
For a very good girl, may scene doon, naka-down kami. We were floating, I was with Miss Dolly. Then they had to put floaters kasi hindi kami maka-float kasi naka-down kami. So may tinape lang sila dito ng floaters. I find it so funny.
And how about the craziest thing you've done on a film set?
Craziest? Nako, madami. But during that scene, same scene, ihingi na kami, so we had to be in front of the house kasi ang layo ng CR. It was so cold, so I'm sorry.
Everyone knows na multi-awarded actress ka. Pero meron ka bang useless talent?
Useless talent? Meron. Like, ako kasi I know how to do a heartbeat sound. You listen. It's useless, but it's interesting. Can I change na? Change na! Okay, change na ako. I'll see you guys in a bit. Wait. All done.
If you could instantly master any new skill, Kat, what would it be?
Cooking.
Okay, now that we're on the topic of food, have you ever tried cooking or baking something and it failed miserably? What was it?
Of course, na-experience ko na yan. Uber pandesal. Pero ngayon, I think kaya ko na.
Okay, pero kung ulam ka naman, anong ulam ka?
Kung ulam ako, I would say potato. I'm a potato. Yes.
What's your favorite childhood food memory?
Childhood food memory, binabad. So, sikat yan na dish sa Cabanatuan, my province. It's like pork chop, better version of that.
If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
One food lang? Beef tapa.
How about the weirdest food combo that is actually secretly love?
Gatas ng kalabaw, ipapour mo yan sa white rice with tuyo. You have to try it. Weird, but masarap siya.
What's your go-to comfort food after a bad day?
After a bad day, beef pares with lots of jelly.
What's your favorite food to eat when no one's watching?
Baka chips. Yeah, I like chips. Anything unhealthy.
What's the one food that you could never live without?
Never live without. Chicharon bulaklak. All-time favorite ko yan.
Really? If you could invite anyone to dinner, who would it be and what would you say?
I would invite Tito Ron and kakain kami ng Japanese food. I think he would love that.
Okay, since we're still talking about food, what's your signature dish that you can cook perfectly every single time?
Maybe cheesy omelette?
And ano naman ipagluluto mo for your mom?
For my mom, baked chicken with mashed potato. Oh wait! Chef Eric is here last night. Magluluto kami later, so abangan niya. See you later, Chef. Gutom na ako.
We have one last question for you. Okay, if you were to rate your cooking from 1 to 10, what would you give them?
Before, I would say 7. Pero ngayon, may bago ako na-discover that can make my cooking a 10. This is my newest partner, Maggi Magic Sarap. Believe me, this is like magic dahil hindi nyo na kailangan ng iba. Kaya come join me on my cooking journey with my newest partner, Maggi Magic Sarap. And together, let's discover kung paano natubos na papasarap ang mga lutuin.
And for that, narito naman ang ilan sa mga komento at reaction po ninyo patungkol naman sa ating latest updates kung saan magbabasa po tayo. No? Unahin po natin ang komento mula kay Miss Elvira Lim. Sabi, natural marunong humawak ng bata si Alden dahil may nakababatang kapatid si Alden at nagkaroon ng bagong baby ang daddy ni Alden kaya sanay na humawak ng bata. Kung ang pag-iisip ng vlogger na yan, gusto lang maraming mag-comment kahit manira. Yan. So ito po yung kanyang komento, no? Kasi totoo naman talaga na grabe yung mga words na binibitawan niya doon sa kanyang mga vlogs. At hanggang sa ngayon, paniniwalaan niya pa rin talaga that Alden Richards has his own children, no? And another, Miss Mamchi Bergie. Hi, Ma'am Dars. Thank you so much for cut then update again. God bless you. Happy Monday, Ma'am Dars. Dahil annual leave ko ng 2 days, kaya lahat ng account mo, napanood ko na. Lahat ng videos mo, Ma'am Dars. About si Daniel, napanood ko kasi mga eksena nila ni Miss Catherine na sinasabi ni Daniel kay Miss Catherine na pinagdududahan ako na nambaba-aba ay ako. Kaya niya ni Daniel na totoo at nagpapahiwatig na at least sa pagbiro ni Daniel na nambababae, na-reveal at least God is good talaga kasi hindi nangyari. Ayan, so ito po yung kanyang komento, no? Grabe, no? Parang nag-movie marathon si Ma'am Bergie sa papanood ng ating mga updates. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Bergie. This is gonna be a big help for our channel. And of course, salamat din po sa lagi po ninyong panonood at pagsubaybay na talagang lagi ko kayo nakikita sa comment section. Ibang klase kayo sumuporta, hindi lang po sa Kat din as well as sa ating mga channels. And sabi niya pa, nag-reveal at least God is good talaga kasi hindi nangyari sa hiwalayan nila na nagpakasal sila at may anak sila. Kaya nga pag ang lalaki nagloko ang babaeng sinisisi. Anyway, let's always support Miss Catherine and Alden. Kat then forever. Muamwa. Yan. I love to pick yung sinabi ni Miss Virgino na better na nangyari po yung hiwalayan nila nung hindi pa sila nagpapakasal. Kasi sabi sa isang interview with Direk Ate Garcia Molina noon, sinabi ni Daniel that at the age of 30 ay talagang napagplanuhan na po nila na magpapakasal sila. Pero sabi ni Miss Catherine parang dapat 28 tapos umatras ng 30. So buti na lang talaga. Sabi ni Ma'am Elena Galgo, Miss Dared, sana maisip ng isang producer na gumawa sila Alden at Kat. Sana si Direk Kati ang mag-direct ng Korean drama na Only You kasi kamukha ni Alden si Jo Yoon Jae. Guwapo at kamukha ni Kat si Han Chai. Yang bagay, Hang Chai Yang. Bagay na bagay sila sa Italy. Yung una nilang shooting, ayun. Siguro tinatukoy nito is Korean movie or Korean novela. Actually, kung ako po tatanungin is mas gugustuhin ko pa rin talaga na gumawa sila yung sarili nila. Kumbaga parang hindi siya adaptation kasi ang problema kasi sa mga adaptation is ang nangyayari dyan, kinukumpara yung mga original na gumawa ng isang teleserye or movie dun po sa mga nag-adapt. So, nagkakaroon ng malaking comparison kapag hindi nila nagustuhan or hindi na-meet nung inadapt yung kanilang ginaya, binabash, diba? Kaya mas better na original na lang. Sabi ni Ma'am Shelina, yes po sa mga pampanira sa kapwa instead na sumuporta sa ating mga actress at actor para sumaya at panoorin ng mga movie, yan ang ginagawa nila sa mga Pilipino. Bilang OFW, isa akong sumusuporta, Miss Dareds. God bless and we must love our movies, diba? True naman. Kasi marami po talaga na Diyos ko pa, parang mas pinipili pa yung mga, hindi po masama no, na magkaroon ng mga international film kasi meron din naman talagang revenue na makukuha ang Philippines dyan. Pero, dapat yung Pilipino mas support Philippines. Sabi ni Miss Daisy Empleo, Mr. Eds, feeling ko nagka-family ang Kat din sa HLA na parang si Alden taga-alaga if Kat ay nasa work at Kat din ang mag-aalaga if Alden nasa work. Baka ganun kwento nila in the end. Alam mo, ganyan din po yung naisip ko, Ma'am si Daisy, nung nabasa ko or nakita ko yung mga photos na yan. I felt na parang ano, may something. Kasi parang yung mga ginamit ng mga kids na pinicturean nila, talagang may similarities kay Alden, di ba? Parang ganun siguro yung pwedeng, same tayo na naiisip, si Ethan bantay ng mga anak nila at sa gabi naman ang work ni Ethan kasi sa OFW ganyan ang ginagawa ng mag-asawa dito abroad dahil walang katulong. Baka may party pa, ipapakita naman ang buhay bilang mag-asawa with kids abroad life. Ayun, grabe no yung buhay ng mga OFW natin sa Canada, no? At ibang mga OFW kasi sa Canada kasi parang kung di ako nagkakamali, no, kapag po nandun yung isang kapamilya mo, pwede mong kunin yung family mo. Kasi yun po yung parang nabasa ko sa comment ni Mr. Renato Husayan. And sabi ni Mr. Dan Vergara, bagay na maging dad si Alden. Pwede na talaga magpakasal. Kat din, pakasal na kayo para magka-baby na. Pero after 3 years pa. Ayun. So ito po yung wish ni Mr. Dan Vergara patungkol naman dito sa bagay na ito. So, thank you po sa inyong mga komento and that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe and please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone!